All right, let's talk about some tweening settings, some advanced tweening here. I have gone ahead and made a new layer and put a shell up here. So this is just a graphic. I made it a graphic. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tween it so it comes down and rests on the floor. So I'm going to go over here to 70 and insert a keyframe, or F6, and then I'm going to drag it down where it's going to land. Okay, so pull it down and get it where it's going to land. Maybe I'll have it rotate just a little bit so that it it's like turning. Now, I didn't move my rotation point, so it kind of rotated from a weird spot. So I'm going to move this here so it rotates on that spot. Okay, so I've got it coming in, but we haven't tweened it yet. So I'm going to right click and create a classic tween. Let's go ahead and fit this in the window so we can see it all. And so you'll see it fall, right? And we play it. But it comes at like it's all the same speed, right? Like it doesn't change, and I moved that point down there, so it's making this doesn't match in this one, and so that's why it jumps funny right there at the end. If you noticed, you probably didn't notice. Let me scoot back up here so you can see all of it. So up here, I didn't move this point here, and it didn't know what to do with it, and so whenever the tween happened at the end, it kind of jumped. See, now it's not jumping. Okay, so once you have this all in here, there are some cool options if you're clicked in between in the purple area under properties, and it's under here where it says tweening, and there are what we call effects. And one of those are classic ease, which allows you to make it like ease in or ease out. So if I say ease in, notice that the speed of it is going to change as it goes. And there's different ones on here. There's even like this crazy one here where it's bouncing, and this one that's elastic, so to speak. So let's just look at one. I'm going to just go to Quint, okay? And I've got it set to ease in. And so let's watch what happens if I press play. Okay, so it doesn't really feel like that different. Let's come back in here. Oh, actually it didn't take that first time. Let me hit enter. There we go. Now it's easing in. Okay. So now watch what happens. Ease in. It's going to start really slow and then just like go crazy. Okay. So that's what that Quint ease in. It's starting off really slow, like on a 0 to 100 speed. We're like 0, 0, 0, 0, and then all of a sudden it goes fast. So that's kind of what these things recommend or represent. You can also do an ease in out where it kind of, and this is a common one, like when I watch tutorials, they tend to go with this one a lot. So I just double clicked it. Now this one's going to kind of slowly come in and then rest. It comes to a nice little rest. So that's probably the most common one, but you can do all kinds of different ones over here. Like I said, there's elastic and bounce. Bounce is kind of fun. So watch this one as it comes in. It just kind of, it's like, yep, there we go. And it lands. So you can do some pretty cool effects by using some custom tween settings over here. And again, that's only when you click in the purple area here under tweening that you have those options.